Good day. My name is Alexander Junior V. Dimura.
I'm Ranger Jeff Italia.
And then Carly Bayarkan,
And we are from Grade 9 Computer Services,
handled by Ma'am Rojas.
and today we're going to perform internal visual inspection.
Turn up the computer including the keyboard. First of all, do HOS to stand your ground. Remove the computer side cover. Before doing step 3, heatsink assembly could get extremely hot during system operations, so make sure you give it enough time to cool down. And another thing to be cautioned about is to beware of the sharp edges of the heatsink. Now, step 3, verify and ensure that the chips, expansion cards, RAM, and heatsink assembles are fully seated into their socket pockets and connectors. Press firmly on top of each chip. Step 4. Check out cable connections inside the computer to verify that they are firmly connected to the appropriate connectors.
If all the cable connectors are firmly attached, proceed to step 5 and reinstall the computer side cover. The computer and attach any peripherals to the power source and turn them on.
Seven. Click the search bar and search Device Manager. And double click these devices to check if they are working properly. These devices are monitors. It's working properly. Sound, video, and game controllers. And display adapters. Steps for the internal visual inspection.
Hope you learned something and thank you for watching.